This is the Oecs Newslink, a roundup of major news happening across the Oecs today. In the headlines,
T.A. Marisho Community College wins Recycle Oecs debate finals. Oecs numbers reveal critical insights into Caribbean recycling challenges. Regional MSME Matching Grants Program provides a guide for applicants. And Oecs and the CARICOM Competition Commission join forces to enhance competition law enforcement. Welcome to the weekly edition of the Oecs Newslink. I am Claudia McDowell. The highly anticipated Recycle Oecs Windward Islands Inter-College Debate Finals culminated in an exciting showdown between Sir Arthur Lewis Community College, SALCC of St. Lucia, and T.A. Marisho Community College, TAMCC of Grenada, as the two institutions tackled the critical issue of plastic pollution in the region. Here's a brief report.
The final battle for environmental solutions reached its climax as two Oecs colleges squared off in the Recycle Oecs Windward Islands Inter-College Debate Finals. When the scores were tallied, T.A. Marisho Community College emerged victorious with 1,042 points to Sir Arthur Lewis Community College's 1,025 points, while Sir Arthur Lewis Community College's Shine Savory was unanimously acclaimed Best Speaker of the Finals. Head of Environment and Sustainability at the Oecs Commission, Chamberlain Emmanuel, emphasized the broader impact of these youth-led debates.
This debate series is designed to explore the perspectives of our youth on these pillars and to help mobilize advocates for the transformation. We anticipate that this exchange of ideas will influence the refining of the model and will influence you, your peers, our policymakers, and the wider community to be responsible stewards and innovative change makers.
This debate series, supported in part by Unicoma St. Lucia, reaffirms the Oecs Commission's commitment to prioritizing youth engagement in regional development, demonstrating how our next generation of leaders clearly understand the vital connection between environmental sustainability and the potential of the Oecs blue economy.
Next, the groundbreaking Recycle Oecs project has uncovered critical insights that highlight an urgent need for systemic changes to protect both environmental and economic interests. The project report unveiled a comprehensive strategy that goes beyond traditional recycling models, offering a roadmap for sustainable waste management in small island developing states. The project's most significant breakthrough is a centralized regional database for tracking plastic waste shipments. This digital infrastructure supports data-driven planning and enhances compliance with international environmental standards. Looking forward, the project has outlined a plan for participating countries to achieve a 50% recycling rate for PET plastics within the next decade. Have you seen A Conversation with the Chief Justice? This special interview with His Lordship, the Honorable Mr. Mario Michel, explores the structure of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court. Find it on the Oecs YouTube channel or our press room at oecs.int. The Regional MSME Matching Grants Program officially opened the Window 2 call for proposals with a deadline of March 19, 2025. Here's a guide on how to apply.
are you a micro, small, or medium-sized enterprise in the blue economy in the islands of Grenada, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Then you're eligible for the Window 2 call for proposals of the Regional MSME Matching Grants Program. The grant provides funding to Blue Economy Value Chain Group MSMEs who fall under the fisheries, marine tourism, and waste management sectors. Here's how to apply. Go to oecs.int, click on Apply for Grant Funding. Read through the matching grant page for eligibility requirements and other information. When you reach the bottom of the page, head to the Application Forms section. Click on the Grant Application hyperlink and the Partnership Agreement hyperlink. Download each document. Read through both the grant application and partnership agreement forms and fill out the relevant details. Ensure you have all relevant documents noted at the bottom of the grant application form. That is, one copy of the UBEC matching grant application form completed, one copy of the applicant declaration form duly signed and dated, one copy of the Certificate of Registration, Certificate of Incorporation or Business Name Registration of each MSME in the partnership, one copy of the partnership agreement signed by all MSMEs in the partnership, one copy of the applicant's financial statements for the last 2 financial years, or bank statements for the last 2 years of each MSME in their partnership. Once you're finished, email all final documents to ubecgrant@oecs.int. Good luck!
And our last story for this episode. The Oecs Commission, in collaboration with the CARICOM Competition Commission, is set to host a series of high-level workshops on competition policy and law enforcement across Oecs member states. The aim is to address major challenges in competition policy and law enforcement while promoting development and enhancing consumer welfare. The workshops will introduce participants to key principles of competition law and develop practical strategies for implementing competition policies at the national level. You can find the workshop schedule in our Oecs press room at oecs.int. Thanks for joining us for the Oecs Newslink, and don't forget to follow these stories on Oecs social media and our website oecs.int.